Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy kitchen cabinets using augmented reality. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Planner 5D app. And when you open the app, it's going to open up at the home page, but you need to go to the tools section, which is in the bottom center section of the screen, and then tap on the furniture try on. And when you open it up, it's going to use the camera on your device. You have to scan your room quickly and then tap on the plus icon and you can choose any kind of furniture. Now we are looking for kitchen cabinets, and just tap on kitchen cabinets, and as you can see, it's going to open up a huge list with all the different kitchen cabinets and kitchen furnitures that you can imagine. Now when you found the one that you are interested in, just find the place where you would like to place it in your kitchen. Now this is my living room, but for educational purposes we are going to fit a kitchen cabinet inside here. Now when you tap on the check mark, it's going to appear in your room and you can start walking around it to see the details of this particular kitchen cabinet. You can see the materials. You can walk back to see if it would fit your interior design, your style or not. Obviously, you can also customize any kind of furniture that you are reviewing by tapping on it and tapping on edit. And this way you can change the materials, you can change the colors of any part of the furniture. As you can see, I can go crazy with the pink kitchen cabinet inside my living room. That would look real nice. And yeah, you can also see the materials, you can see the size, the height. So yeah, this is a great way to see which kitchen cabinet to purchase. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.